Located along the Atlanta Beltline between Irwin Street and Edgewood Avenue in Inman Park, Krog Street Market offers a great place to stop in on your afternoon walk to explore the shops and restaurants. The historic 1889 building, once home to Atlanta Stove Works, has been preserved in celebration of the rich history of Inman Park. Krog Street Market features a living room where you can relax and dine communally after choosing what to eat from one of Atlanta's favorite restaurants. Easily accessible by foot, bike, and automobile, Krog Street Market has plenty of parking for both two-wheel and four-wheeled vehicles. The market features a variety of different dining establishments, from award-winning barbecue to sushi, southern fried chicken, and everything in between. Krog Street Market offers something for every taste. Krog also offers retail shopping and hosts unique shop and walk experiences. Discover new hidden gems while walking through the bustling atmosphere at this open-air bazaar. Pedal down the Beltline to enjoy the sights and sounds of Atlanta, taking in the city at its fullest form. With convenient access to this market, simply take a stroll or hop on your bike for a hassle-free way to see all that Atlanta has to offer. If you're interested in a lifestyle change and would like to move to Atlanta, give us a call today at 470-990-4414 and make sure to follow us on YouTube.